Hello, I'm Dave, here for an OmniCube Pro overview of the ProCart AT1. This is just one of several purpose-built transport solutions from OmniCube. If you've ever tried moving stone on carts that were really intended for other things, like glass or drywall, then you're not going to believe how much easier it can be using a cart actually designed for stone. This weighs under 50 pounds and has a carrying capacity of 750 pounds. The ProCart AT1 is a heavy-duty, all-terrain cart designed specifically to make moving countertops and luxury tile safer and easier. The ProCart AT1 allows you to easily roll over lawns, gravel, construction debris, curbs, even stairs. It has maintenance-free, non-marking flat-free tires. And these clamp uprights that grab right on your material, so you don't have to waste labor on a third guy just to move the cart around. This is going to stay with you as you go. Look at these guys. They're flying up those stairs. You know when your crew is fatigued, accidents happen. But with the ProCart AT1, when it's time to actually install the piece, you're not going to be exhausted just from carrying it in. This leaves you with the energy and focus you need to dial in all the little details of a beautiful install. The ProCart AT1 also has great accessories, like this set of tool trays that lets you bring in all of your tools with just one trip. If you're doing lots of repetitive installs or commercial work, tract work, you can move several small slabs at once using the multi-top accessory. This is also great for large tile. And if you're working with lots of tile, you can even adjust the clamp uprights into a position that works best for you. And even back butter right on the cart, keeping you off your knees. Easily take the ProCart AT1 with you by simply tossing it in your box fan or strapping it on your A-frame. Even better yet, get a folding kit and collapse it small enough to fit inside your A-frame. Whether you're dealing with heavy islands or the repetition of tons of commercial vanities and large format tile, the ProCart AT1 is an unbelievably stable and reliable solution. This beats struggling with single axle dollies and drywall carts hands down. Increase your productivity, increase your efficiency, increase your safety, and save your back. Roll when you can. For more information, check out the specs on our website at omnicube.com. Give us a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to receive future pro overviews.